Hello guys, review POCO M8 Pro. This version 8GB memory and 256GB storage. Open box, look completion. In completion we have device in the green color and other completion, only adapter for without adapter for charging, only cable and protected case. This is all completion. We have 6500 mAh battery with 100 watt hybrid charge, quick charge, 6.8 inch display, Snapdragon 7S Gen 3, and dust water resistance, 50 megapixels main camera. Okay, large display on the front side, on this side power button, wall buttons, back side double camera, LED, downside speaker, slot for 2 nano SIM card and Type-C port. Open device. We have display AMOLED, Full HD Plus resolution, 120 Hz. Open settings. About phone we have Xiaomi HyperOS 2.0.2, Android 15, works smooth, good, without lags, glitches. Open Geekbench 6. Look results, single core score, multi-core score results. GPU we have Adreno 810. Look GPU test results. Okay. And undo the benchmark. Undo the benchmark results. Nice. Very good, and start PUBG Mobile. Looks how the game works on the device. Game load and works on the graphics HDR Extreme, very good graphic level, and game works very smooth. Very good gameplay. Okay, close this. Now I show you photos on the main camera. Video we can record in 4K. 30 frame rate and Full HD 60 frame rate. Max camera zoom we have 20x. Okay, now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.